Hi all, well it's Friday before what's supposed to be Model Expo, and yes, we know it's not on, COVID and all the rest of the hoo-ha, but that doesn't mean that we here at Metro have been chasing up new items that we would have had at the show for you. I'm going to show you a few today, and then we've got another bunch coming in that I'll show you tomorrow, and then I'm going to do a couple of box openings, a couple of things that you might want to have a look at. First up, from Plus Model. Now Plus Model is mostly known for their resin sets and everything else. This is the first of their new series model kits they're going to be moving in. This is the drones from about the 50s and 60s. They were used right up to the 70s and 80s. I think there's maybe even still some belting around anyway. This is one version. They've got the short nose version as well. This particular one comes with the trolley. The other ones don't come with the trolley, they come with the other bits and pieces. So that's due out. There's three versions I think. So that's quite interesting. This, Das Werk. Now Das Werk's been mostly known for their armour, and they've done a lot of armour and vehicles and everything else. This is their first aircraft kit. This is stunning. This is so nice. I'm hopefully going to be able to get onto one of these this weekend and show you what it's like. It comes with three different variants, main variants, with the twin engine, the single engine, or the rocket engine, the Walther rocket engine. It comes as different tail sections, different setups. Basically, you can mix and match and do any variant you like. There was an original mock-up done, I believe, and there was a lot of drawing board stuff that was there. This was the aircraft that was going up against the Heinkel 162. The Heinkel 162 won out. This was going to be the competitor. This is such a nice kit. I'll do a box opening for this later on, and I'll show you all about it. So that's those two. AVI models. Now AVI is not a cheap brand, so be warned, it's not cheap. However, this is a Fox Moth in 72nd scale, Australian only. So they've done 3 Australian markings. Yes, a few Australian markings. A couple of them are related to each other, and then were impressed into the RAAF during World War II. So you've got basically 6 choices of markings. It's a nice kit. It is limited run, so you need a little bit of modelling skills required, but to add this to your collection of Australian aircraft isn't a bad thing to do. From Sword, this is the NF14. Again, this kit was released by Classic Airframes, but with Sword tooling. This is not the Classic Airframes kit. This is a completely new kit. This has got a lot more, less resin, lots more, single piece wing. The fuselage is one piece, whereas the Classic Airframes kit was all sorts of pieces, so you could do different variants. It's got all sorts of bits and pieces. It's a limited run kit, so you do, again, need a bit of skill required. Australia didn't actually fly this particular version, but they did fly a version of this 2-seat Meteor, which I believe will be coming out in the future. That's just come in. For those who have either seen the series Chernobyl or have heard about it, or bought the first box kit, this is the second one. This comes with the vehicle and the firefighters, and a backdrop again, like before. Same sort of quality as the kit has been before. If you're building that whole series, there's apparently going to be about 4 or 5 in this range to do with Chernobyl. If you haven't seen the series, it's really worth watching. It's very surprising the amount of things we didn't know what was going on. IBG in 72nd scale. This is more of their Scammell series. So above you've got the Scammell artillery tractor, just base one with the cabin. This one is the recovery vehicle with the pieces on the back. Both nice kits. I believe from the reviews I've read, they've been very good. So there's that. Now, for those that are doing the Invaders from ICM, this is finally the glass nose. Now, the basic difference is the cockpit is the different one for the early model, and the glass nose. This is, to me, far and away better than the old monogram kit. It's got a lot more detail. The detail is finer, cleaner, and in this particular one, you get 2 silver ones, and there's also a black one, I believe. So I'll check that with you. But so if you're chasing glass nose versions, and there is the Korean War versions coming as well, which the different canopy and still the glass nose. So that's coming. So I know Model Expo is not on this weekend, but that doesn't mean we haven't got some new stuff for you to see and do, and come in and see us. Go online, have a look at our various bits and pieces. I'll show you some more tomorrow, and then you can have a look at it. Don't forget, we've got our virtual competition as well going for photos, so have a look at our website and you'll see some information about that if you're interested. Sad to see that we can't see all the visitors we normally get on a Model Expo, but hopefully that's giving you a little hint of what we've got. Our store and stock is quite full, same with the Box Hill store. So if there's still things you want to chase and you still want to pick up those things or go ooh-ah about new items, come and see us. Talk to you then. Have a great day. Sorry about Model Expo, but we'll be there for next year. See you then. Bye.